Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is August 9th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 15.25 points. While that's usually a pretty big number, in this market, it's really nothing. Markets the last couple of days have been defended, and really that is the story. So we'll see what we get today as we go into the weekend here. But one thing I will say, it's been a wild ride, and I expect that ride to continue. So get ready, brace yourself. We'll see what we get today. But let's take a look at stocks in the news, see if we can make some money there. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be Activision. ATVI is the ticker symbol there. They reported earnings, I believe. Stock closed at $49.33, now trading just at $49. So no movement there. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it gives us something to work off of. Next one we want to take a look at is YELP, YELP. Stock is trading at $37.30, closed at $34.95. Good little uptick there. I'm going to actually give this a slight upside bias. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I have a level. I'll post it up in the intraday stock chat room where we would look to fade this name. So again, it is a bit higher, but this is a stock that is on my fade list for today. Next up, want to take a look at Uber, UBER. This is the ride-sharing company, food delivery. They have a whole bunch of things. They're global. Stock right now closed, it closed last night at $42.97. Now trading at $39.10. Pretty good little haircut here. There's not a lot I'm looking to do with this. This is a new issue, but we will examine it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if there's some kind of intraday level out there. Either way you look at this thing, has come down pretty sharply. But it does have a lot of support all the way down to $36. So again, right now at $39.14. Next up, want to take a look at U.S. Concrete. USCR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $43.70, closed at $44.73. So it's down about $1. No real pre-market volume. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at the ever popular Dropbox. DBX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $21.15. Closed at $21.46, so really just a very, very subtle downtick in the name after earnings. I don't think we're going to do a whole lot with this one just yet, but we'll keep it on the radar today. We'll see if it does give us an opportunity. Next up, want to take a look at the trade desk, TTD. I think this is on the back of earnings. Stock closed at $273.67, now trading at $266.70. Definitely a little downtick there. We'll have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't see any real level that I love here or anything close in the vicinity, and it has started to uptick again. So we'll keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Overstock, OSTK. Looks like that is trading at $20.70, closed at $21.29. This is on the back of earnings. Immediately, the stock sold off all the way down to $17.50, but it has come roaring back. So again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Ameren, AMRN. This stock right now trading at $14.18, down from $17.81. My level for this is a lot lower, so I'm probably going to look a few dollars lower on this one, but I do have a level worked out already. Let's take a look at Lionsgate Film. We'll use the A shares, LGF.A, and you're going to see the stock trading at $13.02, closed at $12.66. I think there's a lot of resistance for this name around $13.75 to $14. Next up, we'll do UBNT, Ubiquity. And this is getting hit this morning. This closed at $119.85, now trading at $111. I have a level ready to go for this morning as well in the intraday stock chat room, just full disclosure. This is a very light volume stock, meaning it does not trade 1 million shares a day. So you got to be careful. Probably trades around 200,000 to 300,000. Stocks that do that, they can overshoot levels, but I'll try to have a level posted up, or at least I'll give a level to the chat room members at 9:30. All right, there we have it. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today, basically trading up about $1 right now to $15.1030. So again, gold remains very, very strong. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that's trading at 141.35, closed yesterday at 141.74. So gold still holding up and above that psychological 1500 level at the moment. Crude oil today higher by 74 cents to $53.28 a barrel. So crude is hanging in there pretty well today. Take a look at the USO. That's trading at 11.05. Crude has seen some real wild action this week, so you want to be on your toes there. And we'll look at crude oil once the opening bell rings as well. Once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been a wild week and a profitable one at that, so we're going to look to keep that going. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, come join us, trade right alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial. We'd love to have you there, and you could see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.